Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make buffalo chicken bites. Let's get straight into it. So I'm going to do this recipe based on just one chicken breast. Now obviously if you want to make more, just multiply it, but because it's so easy to make, I'll just stick with one. So all we want to do is just slice this into very small pieces, just like so. So less than 1 centimeter all around. Just like that. And just place them straight into a bowl. Now to this I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt, about 4 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, about half a cup of full cream milk, and finally we're going to crack in 1 whole egg. Now we're just going to give this all a very good mix together. So this mixture is going to act as our brine, but it will also be our egg wash too when it comes to cooking. So get that all nice and coated. Now we'll just cover this with some cling wrap. And we're going to place this straight into the fridge for at least 3 hours. Preferably overnight if you can, for best results. Alright, so we're going to prepare the rest of it now. So just in a bowl here, I've got 3/4 of a cup of plain flour, and just in another bowl here, 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Now to our breadcrumbs, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, as well as 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Just give that a good mix. Now this next step is very simple. We're going to get each of our chicken pieces, dip it straight into the flour mixture, like that, then straight back into our egg wash mixture, get it covered, then straight into the breadcrumb mixture until it's well coated, just like that. Once you're done with that, place it into a separate tray. In the meantime, we'll start to preheat our deep fryer to 170 degrees Celsius. So once your oil's ready and you're finished, we're going to go ahead and place this straight into our baskets. Now don't overcrowd them. If you need to do it in separate batches, go ahead. And once you're ready, you place the basket straight in. Now we're looking for a total cooking time of around 3 to 4 minutes. We want a nice golden brown colour to this. Alright, so we're at the 4-minute mark now. As you can see, the chicken is starting to slowly float up to the top. So basically that indicates it's ready. So we'll go ahead and take the baskets out. And I mean visually, just look at that. That looks amazing. So let them rest there for about 30 seconds, let all that excess oil come out. And we'll just season it with a sprinkle of salt and a light sprinkle of paprika. Give that a good mix. And let's serve. And there we have it. I've just served it up with some ranch dressing, of course. So we got hot and cool there. And just look at how beautiful and crunchy they are. So that's all there is to it, guys. And of course you don't have to eat these hot. You can put them in the fridge and eat them cold as well. You can reheat them as well if you need to. Nothing wrong with that. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.